I'm Andy from W3 Waterless, and I'm here to show you how to clean your tyre with our lovely product, which is a nice waterless tyre shine. What we want to do is give our bottle a good check first, and then you can see tyres a little bit grey, a bit dull, but we'll soon sort that out. Again, what you want to do is fold your cloth so you've got plenty of surface area, so you can change it every now and again, and just give the tyre some nice even sprays. Just nicely sprayed around the tyre. Just make sure you get every little bit. There we go. Leave it here a little bit. Put the bottle down. Yeah, just so you've got plenty of hands. So just get down and give it. Just go in the same motion around the tyre. If you need to change the cloth slightly, just change it around. Carry on and keep it going. And it leaves your tyre nice and fresh, back to almost original condition. And that'll keep going for around about a week, and keep it nice, clean and tidy. And you can see with the other tyre the difference. Take dull and grey to nice black, new and shiny. And it took less than 5 minutes. There you go. I'll see you in the next video.